Why do we resist the things that will make the most difference for us? Why do we find more problems for the problem? I won't be talking about those things, but what I will be talking about in this video is the book called YouTube Secrets by Cannell and Benji Travis. Even if you don't plan on being what's known as a video influencer, everyone should be leveraging the power of YouTube. The biggest takeaway from this book, YouTube Secrets, is the fact that they preach starting with the end in mind. I already have ideas for videos that I would like to do for my business, Cinema Jubilee, as well as many ideas for videos that I'd like to do on a personal level for my own brand, Abraham Cullivan. And the other big thing is I just want to bring value to people. And through this book, which is less than $15, Cannell and Benji Travis have done that. The best time to have started on YouTube would have been 10 years ago, but the next best time is right now. Another misconception with YouTube is that everyone's making money through ads, right? You know, setting up AdSense, and that's just not true. There's a lot of different ways which they spell out in this book on how to make money on YouTube through affiliate commissions, collaborations, and just being creative, sponsorship deals. The best part is you don't have to have 1 million subscribers. They have case after case after case in YouTube Secrets of YouTubers with 10,000 followers, maybe even 5,000 followers, and they have found a way to make a full-time income on YouTube alone. Now, what I love about this book as well is they make it clear, you know, you're not going to be an overnight success. There is no such thing, in fact, as overnight successes. You're going to have to work hard. You're going to have to make sacrifices. You're going to have to optimize and figure out ways that you can make videos faster, edit faster, outsource your editing, all that sort of stuff. TubeSecretsBook.com. So they built a whole infrastructure around the book to support this book and bring extra value to you, where you can dive deeper, watch videos that delve further into these topics that they cover. And to me, that's amazing. You know, for $15, you get all this wealth of information, and yeah, just make it happen. Start making videos, find what you're passionate about. Do not be afraid to step in front of the camera and start talking, because in the next year or so, all internet traffic will be 80% video. If you don't catch this wave now, you're gonna be on the beach, you're gonna have a sunburn, you're not even gonna be sipping out of a coconut. You're just gonna be crying. You're just gonna be crying yourself to sleep. You probably won't have any suntan lotion. So I'm gonna pray for you, and I'm gonna pray that you invest in this book. The best part is I know I can come back to this book over and over and over again, and I intend to really dig deeper and apply everything they say. Not to mention the fact that it's an easy read. It's about 190 pages. This book is 190 pages, and it just flies by. I read it in a week and a half. If I wanted to read it faster, I probably could have read it in 3 days. They talk about hacking SEO. They talk about how to collaborate with others. They talk about the best ways to identify your niche. They talk about how to come out of your shell. They talk about why video is the future and it's not just some pipe dream. Everything you've ever wanted to know about YouTube is in this book, and you can get it for less than $15 now by following the link in my bio. I will make a small commission. It's going to send you to Amazon. Totally up to you if you buy it from me or not, through me or not, wherever you want to buy it. Maybe you want the audio version. I would recommend that too. It just depends on what you like. You like to read it, you like to listen to it. I'm going to come back to this book many, many times. Oh, and then another thing which they really hit home on and I love is they're encouraging you to engage with your audience, and that's something that I take pride in. I've got a lot of people DMing me. This started before I started making videos, so I can't wait to continue building those online relationships. I'll be honest with you, sometimes the relationships that I have online feel like they're more genuine and real than the relationships I have in real life. It's easy to hate on the internet. It's easy to hate on something that's so great, but you can either hate on it or you can use it to your advantage. And I'm choosing to use it to my advantage, so you should too. Pick up this book. Another great quote from this book is that you never get a second chance to make a first impression. That was said by Will Rogers. That's on chapter 3. I hope that I've made a good impression with you in this quick review. I might do a deeper dive at some point, but for now I think this is sufficient. Hopefully you'll make the right decision, and the right decision would be to cop this book, link in bio. If you don't get it from me, I will not cry. I will go to sleep, and I will sleep a happy and a free man. I am so blessed. As Adrian with Yoga with Adrian always says, take what you need, leave what you don't. So with that being said, I invite you to do the same. Drop a comment, don't drop a comment. Really just, honestly, if you do nothing but buy this book, you will be doing yourself the hugest favor. It's not about me, it's all about you. So have a good night, have a good morning, have a good afternoon, have a good poop break at work. Whatever you're doing, stay blessed, blessed, blessed.